This message isn't for everyone, only for those ready for a life-changing financial breakthrough. If you're truly prepared to step into a new reality of abundance, this is your moment. Wealth isn't just a dream, it's within your reach, but only if you're ready to embrace the extraordinary transformation that's about to unfold in your life. Are you prepared to unlock the power of financial freedom? The journey starts now. Many people spend their entire lives wishing for prosperity, yet only a few are truly ready to receive it. They dream of abundance, but unknowingly hold themselves back with doubt, fear, or limiting belief. The universe has already reserved wealth and success for you. Opportunities are waiting, doors are ready to open, and financial breakthroughs are within reach. But there is a hidden truth, a powerful secret that only a few truly understand. It is not just about asking for prosperity, but about aligning yourself with it, stepping into its flow, and preparing yourself to handle it wisely. As you listen carefully, this truth will be revealed. Every word has been carefully chosen to shift your energy, unlock your full potential, and synchronize your mind with the prosperity that is already making its way toward you. But pay close attention. This message carries something truly powerful. The insights within have the ability to break financial barriers, dissolve limitations, and attract new opportunities into your life. If you leave too soon, you may miss the very key that could transform your financial future. Stay with me until the last word. Keep your mind open and your heart ready to receive. This moment is not just about listening, it is about experiencing a deep shift, a true transformation that will open the doors to lasting wealth, stability, and success. Before we begin, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. By doing this, you ensure that you never miss new insights, affirmations, and powerful messages that can shift your reality and attract the prosperity you deserve. Now, let us connect with the infinite energy of the universe, the boundless force that governs all creation, the flow of abundance that moves through everything. Universal source of abundance, guiding force of life, the energy that shapes the world around us. Today I lift my voice with absolute certainty. I stand in unwavering faith, knowing that my words have immense power, and what I declare at this moment is already setting things in motion. I affirm that abundance is no longer distant. It is already flowing toward me. Every limitation, every financial block, and every doubt that once held me back is dissolving. The unseen forces of the universe are working in my favor, aligning my thoughts, actions, and circumstances with prosperity. Wealth is not just an idea, it is an energy, and today I choose to welcome it fully into my life. I no longer resist abundance, I embrace it with an open heart. The opportunities that once seemed out of reach are now coming closer. The financial freedom once only imagined is now becoming real. The universe does not withhold blessings. It responds to belief, to gratitude, and to readiness. And today, I declare that I am ready, ready to receive, ready to grow, and ready to handle wealth with wisdom. At this moment, everything begins to shift. The energy of money is moving toward me, circulating freely, finding new ways to enter my life. What was once blocked is now opening. What was once delayed is now arriving. If you feel this transformation happening within you, write in the comments, "Abundance is flowing into my life now." Stay present, stay connected, and allow these words to shape your reality. This is the moment your financial breakthrough begins. If you feel the shift within, if you sense a change in your financial destiny, write in the comments, "I welcome prosperity into my life." The energy of transformation now reaches those who feel doubt, those who fear uncertainty about their financial future. Fear dissolves into confidence. Hesitation turns into certainty. despair transforms into a powerful story of success. If you feel this transformation within you, write in the comments, "I release my fears and welcome wealth." The universe is full of miracles, and I know that a single shift in energy, a single realization, can completely change my path. Just as creation began with a single spark, so too does my journey toward financial freedom begin now. I declare, let there be prosperity, let there be wealth, let there be an unstoppable flow of abundance in my life. May all energetic barriers be broken. At this moment, the money that was delayed, the promotion that never arrived, the opportunities that once seemed distant, now everything begins to shift in my favor. The energy of the universe moves for me, aligning circumstances, bringing success closer, and opening doors I never thought possible. If you can feel this shift within you, write in the comments, "My financial life is changing now." Many do not understand, but I know that unseen forces govern prosperity. Wealth is not just paper, it is energy, a natural flow that must align with my mind and heart. At this very moment, I align myself with this abundant force. My thoughts are those of a prosperous person. My heart beats with the certainty of success. My life welcomes abundance as if it has already arrived. If you feel this transformation happening within, write in the comments, "I am prosperous now." Right now, testimonies are already being written. There are those who will hear these words, and within days will witness unexpected money arriving, bills being cleared, and new opportunities appearing. If you believe that your breakthrough is already happening, write, "I am next to receive." Nothing can block what is meant for me. The universe is clearing my path, removing obstacles, and ensuring that prosperity flows freely in my life. The opportunities I have been waiting for are now appearing. The doors that were once shut are opening wide. The success that seemed distant is now drawing near. If you can feel this movement, write in the comments, "My financial path is open." I do not push wealth away. I welcome it with open arms, knowing that abundance is not something to fear, but something to embrace. Prosperity is a natural part of life, and today I choose to align myself with it completely. I open my heart and mind to become a vessel for abundance, allowing financial blessings to flow freely into my life. I no longer see wealth as something distant or out of reach. I claim it as already mine. I embrace prosperity with gratitude, confidence, and joy. I understand that money is not just paper or numbers. It is a tool, an energy that moves through the world, and I am fully ready to receive it, use it wisely, and let it grow. I see money flowing effortlessly into my life. Opportunities that once seemed out of reach are now within my grasp. My financial burdens are being lifted one by one. I feel a deep sense of relief, knowing that everything I need is making its way toward me. I see doors opening, new possibilities revealing themselves, and unexpected blessings arriving at the perfect time. The energy of abundance surrounds me, filling every part of my life with prosperity and success. If you feel this transformation happening within you, write in the comments, "I see my prosperity coming now." I do not wait passively for change. I take action. I show my gratitude for every blessing I have received, and I eagerly welcome those yet to come. I speak words of confidence, knowing that my thoughts shape my reality. I practice generosity, trusting that what I give returns to me multiplied. I keep my mindset positive, focusing on abundance instead of lack. I act as someone who has already received everything I desire, because I know that wealth is already finding its way to me. I believe in my prosperity. I welcome my financial breakthrough, and I am ready to step into the life of abundance that is meant for me. If you already embody the mindset of wealth, write in the comments, "I am already rich." I do not ask with doubt. I receive with certainty. My mind is prepared, my heart is open, and my hands are ready to accept the abundance that is already mine. If you feel this certainty within you, write in the comments, "I am ready to receive." Yet I know that some still hold doubts formed by fear, hesitation, and old beliefs that no longer serve them. Today, I break every limiting thought, every resistance, and every fear surrounding prosperity. Wealth is not something to be feared. It is a tool, a force of creation, and when used wisely, it brings growth, freedom, and endless opportunities. Money is not reserved for a select few. It flows to those who believe in their worth and take action. If you have broken your limitations and embraced prosperity, write in the comments, "I accept my wealth." I know that certain cycles need to be broken, patterns of scarcity, generations of financial struggle, and inherited limitations passed down through time. But today, I declare that these chains are being undone. The past does not define my present, and no history of lack will dictate my future. If you feel this release, write, "I break all scarcity from my life." I understand now that money is energy, and energy moves. If I reject it, it moves away. If I welcome it with gratitude, it seeks me out. Today, I open my heart and my hands to receive. From this moment forward, wealth, success, and abundance flow into my life like a river that never runs dry. If you feel this energy shifting within you, write, "Money flows to me effortlessly." My words are powerful. They are seeds that shape my reality, and today I plant seeds of prosperity. I no longer speak of lack. I declare abundance. I no longer see myself as struggling. I see myself thriving. I'm no longer a person waiting for wealth. I am already a person of wealth. If you already feel your life shifting, write, "My financial life is already changing." I know that many give up just when their greatest breakthrough is about to arrive, but I am not one of them. I stand firm, I remain focused, and I trust the timing of my journey. My moment is coming, and nothing can stop what is meant for me. If you refuse to give up, write, "My financial blessing is coming." I have learned that prosperity is deeply connected to gratitude. Those who complain about their situation push abundance away, but those who give thanks open the door to even more blessings. Today, I choose gratitude. I recognize that wealth is already finding its way to me, and I welcome it with open arms. If you are already grateful for the abundance coming your way, write, "Thank you, universe, for my prosperity." Many ask for wealth but are not truly prepared to receive it. But I am ready. I know how to manage money wisely. I know how to multiply it, how to invest it, and how to use it for growth and positive change. That is why I am the perfect candidate for abundance. If you are ready for financial overflow, write, "I am ready to receive great wealth." I recognize that many of my financial blocks were created in my own mind. The fear of loss, the belief that money is difficult to attain, the feeling of unworthiness. But today, I free myself from all of it. I am deserving of prosperity. I accept wealth with confidence. I embrace a life of limitless abundance. If you have released your limiting beliefs, write, "I deserve to be rich." I also understand that true prosperity is not just about receiving, it is about responsibility. Wealth is not just something to be gained. Wealth is a gift, but only for those who truly honor it. Money isn't just something to be earned and spent. It's a force that must be nurtured, respected, and guided with wisdom. Many receive financial blessings, yet struggle to hold on to them. Why? Because money flows where it is valued, managed, and directed with purpose. Without intention, it slips away like sand through your fingers, leaving behind frustration and missed opportunities. But I choose a different path. I choose to be mindful, responsible, and wise with my wealth. I refuse to take it for granted, nor will I allow it to control me. Instead, I see it for what it truly is, a powerful resource that, when handled with clarity and purpose, leads to freedom, security, and endless possibilities. I commit to protecting and nurturing my finances. I will make thoughtful decisions, invest wisely, and ensure my wealth continues to grow. I will not let fear or carelessness dictate my financial future. Instead, I embrace an abundance mindset, knowing that money isn't just for spending, it's for building, creating, and expanding. And most importantly, wealth is not just for me alone. When managed with wisdom, it becomes a force for good, elevating lives, creating opportunities, and making a lasting impact. This is the path I choose. This is the legacy I build. I recognize that true prosperity is about sharing, uplifting, and creating a lasting impact. I welcome abundance not only for my own benefit, but also as a way to bring positive change into the world. I use my wealth to uplift, to support, and to build a future of stability and success. I no longer view money as something that comes and goes unpredictably. Instead, I recognize it as a flowing energy, one that, when directed with clear intention, wisdom, and responsibility, grows and thrives. Money is not something to fear or chase. It is a tool, a resource that can be guided, nurtured, and multiplied when handled with care. I trust my own ability to manage wealth wisely. I am confident in my decisions, knowing that I can make smart choices that allow my finances to flourish. I understand that true prosperity is not just about receiving money, but about using it with purpose, investing it carefully, making thoughtful financial plans, and allowing it to expand in ways that bring long-term stability, security, and fulfillment. Wealth is more than just numbers in an account. It is a reflection of mindset, discipline, and the ability to navigate the natural flow of abundance. I no longer see financial success as something out of reach. I fully embrace my role as a wise steward of wealth. I am not only ready to receive financial blessings, but I am also fully prepared to handle them, protect them, and grow them into something even greater, something that serves my highest good and brings lasting prosperity into my life. Every day, I strengthen my ability to create, manage, and expand my wealth. I choose to step into abundance with confidence, gratitude, and purpose. If you are prepared to manage your wealth wisely, I know how to manage my prosperity now. I do not simply ask, I receive. My mind is aligned, my heart is prepared, and my hands are already holding the financial blessings that are making their way into my life. If you can already feel this transformation, wealth is already on its way.